Yes? Okay. So, my cubes from the other day, yesterday, that I made are frozen now. So, I'm going to show you how I store them once they're frozen. It's kind of hard to get them out sometimes. Stop giving me. Alright, so after I have them all out, I put them in a freezer bag that I label with the date. You can see that they stack really nice and evenly, nice and flat, so they lay flat in your freezer and don't take up a lot of space. And that's it. I just do that with all of them. Oh, you're still recording? Okay.